The most luxurious designs often make the biggest impact with the fewest elements. Today, how to design premium minimal frame compositions. Open Canva and create a 1080 by 1080 square canvas. Start with a warm white background and keep the workspace intentionally uncluttered. Insert one large rectangular frame slightly off-center and upload your primary image. Adjust the crop carefully so the subject feels balanced and prominent. Duplicate the frame and move the copy behind the original. Enlarge it slightly and lower its transparency to create a soft layered border effect. Add a thin geometric line near one edge of the composition and